Anaga and her husband Akash went to see a counselor due to some family problem. Counselor asks Akash, "What is your problem?" Her complaint is that she doesn't understand me, but she really doesn't understand me who comes tired after work. Anaga's eyes were filled with tears. The counselor asked Akash, "What is your job?" Akash said, "I work in a bank." So the counselor, "So your wife?" Akash, "She doesn't have a job, she is a housewife." Counselor, "Who makes breakfast in your house?" Akash, "It's my wife, she doesn't have to go to work because of that." Counselor, "When will your wife get up?" Akash, "She wakes up early in the morning and prepares food for the morning and takeaway for the kids and me in the afternoon. Then the children's teeth will be brushed, they will be dressed, and everything they will need will be prepared." Counselor, "How are the children going to school?" Akash, "She will leave it because she doesn't have to go to work." Counselor, "What will your wife do after dropping the kids off at school?" Akash, "Will come back after tidying up the house and going to supermarket to buy things. Then she will wash all the clothes and clean them. You know, she will do all this because she doesn't have to go to work." Counselor, "How are the children going to school?" Akash, "She will leave it because she doesn't have to go to work." Counselor, "What will your wife do after dropping the kids off at school?" Akash, "Will come back after tidying up the house and going to supermarket to buy things. Then she will wash all the clothes and clean them. You know, she will do all this because she doesn't have to go to work." Counselor, "What do you do after work?" Akash, "Will rest, because he will get some rest as he came tired from work in the morning." Counselor, "So what does your wife do at night?" Akash, "She prepares the food for the night and gives it to me and the kids, washes all the dishes and cleans the house again and puts the kids to bed after brushing their teeth." Counselor, "Is this how it is every day?" Akash, "Yes, because she doesn't have to go to work, so the guy does it." Counselor, "Then, now think about it, who took longer to work? Many people only see work as going out and working. But a housewife does more work in a house than that. But often no one recognizes it. What they do is work. They will also be tired. But regardless of that, Tabin is happily doing things for her husband and children. A housewife who is like this would be happier if her husband understood her and provided her with care and support. Mutual understanding is the key to success in any marriage." Akash then realized things. He took her hands and thanked the counselor and left happily. Family life, understand and support each other. That one support is enough more than anything else.
Please subscribe, like and share. RB Vlogs for everything. Follow on blog, Facebook and Instagram for help us to improve our creativity.